Looking for the best smart TV for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 smart TV that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a smart TV that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended smart TV. Number 1 on the list is TCL Class 5 Series Roku Smart TV. A best-in-class app makes this product truly shine, allowing for navigation, volume control, search, and headphone listening right from your phone or tablet. This is a great smart TV for those who prefer smartphones to garden variety remote controls, though it does come with one of those as well. The TCL Roku Smart TV is extremely easy to use. This simplicity is furthered by the fantastic related app, which allows you to control every aspect of the device right from your phone or tablet. You can even plug in headphones right into your phone or tablet and listen from there, bypassing the need for Bluetooth or similar functionality. It comes built in with support for Alexa and Google Assistant, creating another avenue for control, and the UI is elegant, allowing for speedy searches throughout every major streaming platform. We found the picture to be bright and gorgeous, with stellar clarity belying its somewhat lower resolution. With a 60 Hz refresh rate and virtually no motion blur, its direct-lit LED gives good picture quality. The product does offer a suite of parental controls, but we found these to be somewhat confusing to set up and use. Of course, if you want to nearly double the available size, the best 90-inch TVs are coming down in price. Second on the list is Insignia NS50DF710NA19 4K Ultra HD, a fantastic product with a stellar 4K display, an 8 million pixel count for clarity, built-in Fire TV support, Alexa integration via remote control, and a pleasing UI that automatically combines streaming options and live TV on a unified home screen. This is a great product for folks who watch a lot of live TVs. And, if you want to boost the transmission signal of live TV, then you need to read our best TV antenna guide. The Insignia 4K Ultra HD Fire TV Edition boasts a fantastic 4K display that delivers crisp and sharp visuals, with an 8 million pixel count for stunning picture quality, excellent clarity, vivid colors, and deep contrast. The product comes packed in with Fire TV support, so all of your favorite streaming options are available from the get-go, and boasts a highly intuitive UI that automatically combines live TV and streaming options together on one home screen, making deciding what to watch as simple as possible. Streaming services include Netflix, Showtime, YouTube, Hulu, Prime Video, HBO, Starz, and more. The Alexa-enabled remote works great, allowing for voice control, though the selection of streaming options is robust, featuring all of the major players. We did notice that there is no option for the Xfinity app, which could be an issue if that is your cable provider. Additionally, the remote control takes a bit of getting used to, using a series of rings in order to navigate channels. We found using Alexa to be much simpler. If you need a new TV to use with many streaming options, you might want to learn about the best time to buy a TV. Number 3 on the list is TCL 50S425 4K Roku Smart TV, a stunning 4K TV available in a wide variety of size options, bottoming out at 43 and maxing at 75, with Roku functionality built in, HDR integration, a powerful mobile app, and support for Alexa and Google Assistant. This great television is available in a large variety of sizes, including 65-inch 4K, which suits the needs of just about any family. The TCL 4K Roku Smart TV is available in a large variety of sizes, maxing out at 75, which should make it easy to find a place for it in any room of your home. It has stunning image quality, boasting 4K resolution, and the related app is extremely easy to use, allowing you to control nearly aspect of the television right from your phone or tablet. It has Roku built in, so it can stream from all major platforms, and the ability to sync with Alexa or Google Assistant. Also, you can listen to your TV's sound through a pair of smartphone-connected headphones thanks to the Roku app, which includes a private listening mode. It's great if you don't want to disturb your partner at night. It has the features we like in our best 65-inch TV choices, though the TV does boast a USB port, allowing for content to be streamed via stick or external hard drive. We found that it didn't recognize every device we plugged in. Additionally, the company claims this product has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, but it is 60 Hz with some motion interpolation technology to give the illusion of a higher rate. Not a huge deal, but still. Number 4 on the list is Samsung Series 7 UN65RU 7100FXZA Ultra HD, a sleek, ultra-thin product, with tons of Samsung bells and whistles, including 4K resolution, a powerful UHD processor that automatically upscales standard HD signals to Ultra HD, Alexa and Google Assistant support, and built-in Bluetooth. This is the perfect product for those who like to use Bluetooth to stream to headphones or external speakers in a home theater. The Samsung Series 7 Ultra HD Smart TV is a highly capable product, with plenty of the kind of sheen that has made the company such a major player in the space, including an ultra-thin frame, clocking in at just over 2 inches, a built-in UHD processor that automatically upscales standard HD to 4K and the ability to integrate with Alexa and Google Assistant. The UI is neatly organized, making searching through streaming options and live TV on the faster end, and the built-in Bluetooth is a fantastic addition, allowing for use with headphones and external speakers, though keyboards are not supported. Bluetooth also gives you the option of boosting your audio using wireless headsets, a home stereo, or a soundbar. We found that the product was slightly heavier than comparable models, though just by a few pounds, and that the prices were, on average, higher than most of the other TVs on this list. We also noticed that it took around a minute for the television to connect to Wi-Fi after turning on or after returning from sleep mode. If you're looking for a smart TV specifically, this could be one of the best TVs for you. Number 5 on the list is TCL Class 6 Series 4K Ultra HD. It offers some quality-of-life improvements over the other TCL products on this list, including Dolby Vision HDR technology in a proprietary contrast control zone, CCZ, technology that helps deliver a deep black and a pure white color array. It also has a low input lag functionality, making it truly shine while playing video games or watching Amazon Prime Video. The TCL 4K Ultra HD Roku Smart TV is perfect for gaming, thanks to its low input lag functionality in suite of color-enhancing technologies, including Dolby Vision HDR, helping to deliver stunning true-to-life graphics and seamless control to all of your favorite gaming applications. The UI is sleek and easy to use, with Roku enabling streaming from all major platforms, and the remote can be controlled via Alexa. Additionally, TCL always packs in an 18-month warranty with their products, which is higher than the standard 1-year warranty found with comparable models. The product does not boast Bluetooth functionality, nor does the remote have a headphone jack, which could somewhat limit your ability to wear headphones comfortably, though the TV does integrate nicely with a related app, which does allow you to stream content from your phone or tablet, though not every streaming platform is supported. Additionally, the 75 model is the highest priced product on this list. Just now is a list of 5 best smart TV that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.